In our current situation, how are millions of people being fed? Farmers are applying inorganic fertilizers, which are salt-based, and as a result, they bind the nutrients to the salt. Well, what did the ancient Romans do in ancient Roman times? If they didn't like you, they'd conquer you. But if they really didn't like you, if they hated you, they would throw salt in all your fields, because salt, what does it do? It renders soil just inert. You can't grow anything there for generations. That's what we're doing. We're killing our soil, number one, and then number two, because when you kill soil and you're only applying the NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, the three numbers you see on bags of fertilizer that you buy in the big box stores, what's happening is you're making the commitment to the fertilizer companies. Rather than partnering with nature, you're partnering with the chemical fertilizer companies. You're killing the microbiome that's in the soil, all the biology in the soil. It's just dead. Every year you get more and more insects, and the land, instead of going fallow once every few years, eventually you have to let it go fallow for 10 years. We don't have that time to wait. Well, the planet needs an answer now, and regenerative agriculture handles that, because regenerative agriculture starts with the soil, starts with restoring the biology. And if you restore the biology in the soil, you don't need to spray the pesticides, the herbicides. It suppresses the weeds, and you cut your water use in half. I mean, who wouldn't want that? For their planet, and then also for the bodies. Oh, and I didn't mention that food that you grow regeneratively is incredibly more nutrient dense than the stuff that's store-bought, that's raised on chemicals.